December. That means Christmas. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from normal. I usually teach about the doctrines and the beliefs of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Today, I am going to talk a little bit more about me, my own experiences as a Latter-day Saint, a Christian, my, encounters? Is that the right word? It sounds a little like... I wanted to talk about my experiences feeling the Spirit in the hopes it would help someone else recognize the Spirit of God, recognize His presence, His communications with us as His children. So, I remember there was a rainbow, and it was the biggest rainbow I had ever seen, and it was really clear and vibrant and just the whole thing, and I was amazed. I was pondering in my heart. I thought back to the story of Noah and the ark, and that was a story that had been told to me at church in primary class, Sunday school for children. And I remember learning about the rain and the storm and the flood, and how after God had promised that He wouldn't flood the earth again, the rainbow was given as a sign or a symbol of that promise. That's what I remembered as I was watching this rainbow. I remember feeling something very special, a very strong feeling, definitely recognizable that I was feeling something special. It didn't feel like it was something that I had contrived or that I had worked myself up into something. I was thinking, remembering, and then suddenly I felt this really warm, powerful feeling, that warm feeling that love gives you. It was very strong. I felt so strongly that was a special moment. I decided to draw a picture. I took like a white printer paper and my markers. I drew a picture of an earth. It was green and blue, and I think I maybe outlined it with a black marker. And then circling the entire earth was a rainbow. I wrote the words, "I will always remember this day," or something to that effect. Kept that picture for a long time. Probably as an angsty teenager, I threw everything away. But I remember the picture still distinctly in my mind, and I remember the moment the picture marked for me. The picture was a way of me nailing that memory into my mind, that I would never forget the things that I felt watching that rainbow and thinking about God's promises. That's probably my earliest memory with feeling the Spirit. If you look in the corner of these videos, you'll see a little rainbow. Rainbows have continued to be a symbol of God's promises to me, and I still think about that day and that moment and those things I felt and the things that I thought every time I see a rainbow in the sky. Next week, I'll talk more about other experiences that I've had as I've grown older. Feel free to comment with your own experiences or with any questions. You can check out my channel, and I'll have playlists about the things that we believe in. Subscribe if you liked what you heard and if you'd like to hear more. Thanks for watching.